Hey guys, this is day 2, the 9th of January, my birthday. I'm now 26. On the last video I showed you I had already built the bottom of the ship. I did a little bit as well. I also did this bitty. So this is day 2 and I'm going to do a little more. So I'll just put that down here and show you guys. I'm still working on it. I'm still looking for the 2 bits that need to be together. I'm trying to look for them still. This is the 2 ships. Well, this part has to go on top of this part. Oh. No. Why isn't the weapon different? So, and these are the little figures that come with the I think that's a helmet or a stone or something it's standing on. But that's a monster. Let's see if I can get that to zoom in here. No. Just trying to focus the camera on the monster. Anyway, that's the man from Halo. No, let's see if I can put this up here. This is the man from Halo. Our man and the other man. So I've got 2 baddies and a goodie. So I I will get there. Be patient. Let's get started. Magazine. Two small ones. Still looking, people. I'll get there. The video's actually going quicker than I'm expecting, but I can't find the 2 bits that I'm needing. I can't believe that. That's 2 bits that are gone. Okay, so I've got one of these. 2 of these. 1, 2. 30s.
30s is a long time to be single mum.
And the heartbreak they leave behind is like no other.
I never want anyone to go through this. Never. It's awful.
Picking up the pieces and tirelessly keeping the search going.
30s.
Police dogs, their handlers and the Sky Cops are fast becoming one of London's most successful thief-catching teams.
We can clear open back gardens very, very quickly, especially at night time. We can clear an entire garden block, so we work well on those.
Success often depends on careful choreography. But how to get him off the roof? The Sky Cops need to keep him in vision, but the tall houses are a bit of a problem for the pilot, Captain Sweeting. And what's happening now? It looks like there are two on the roof.
He moves slightly.
It doesn't
You
have
see
the
where
two
he's
windy
flying
bits.
as he rolls over. It almost looks like there's two people there. So he's obviously been there for quite a long time. He's lifted up the roof.
Right, where did they go anyway? So this bit goes on here.
It's now Brody and his handler's turn to move in.
In this particular case, Brody didn't bark at the suspect. He was some way up above her on the flat roof, and I simply called on him to show himself and come down to us.
But the thief won't budge, and now there's only one thing for it. Brody's handler is going to have to get his hands dirty. Most criminals come quietly when police dogs are about.
Suspect's now on his feet, speaking to one of the officers, making his way down the slope roof. Stand on.
As he started to climb down, I made it clear to him that if he attempted to run away, or if he showed any aggression to me or Brody, that she would be sent to bite him. But if he did as I told him, then he was perfectly safe.
Suspect's down off the second story roof.
I think he's probably heard the dog. And yeah, it certainly didn't jump straight.
And that activity goes on to here.
He was very compliant and agreed to do what I asked him to. The fear of being bitten by Brody was greater to him than the fear of being arrested.
Yeah, so I said we'll just stay on here until he got contact with the Proxima Hotel officers. I believe they're in the garden next year.
Being able to talk directly to Brody's handler is a big plus for the Sky Cops, especially when it means you can find out more about your fugitives.
Oh, superb. Yeah, nice one. Cool. Good flight. I think our job here is done.
It's time you stopped, down the ground, and held your loved one's hand. Just you, the sky, the sea, and the people who mean everything in the world to you.
I need two of the bendy bits, but it doesn't have them.
Precious time away.
It doesn't have the bits in, it doesn't have the bits in leading.
Smoke like that.
No.
I think that's a challenge. I get like it back.
Yeah, I do.
Eh?
Right, it would as well.
Oh.
Just tip it.
Sorry, I can't see it.
Sorry. Steering wheel.
Cops, Monday to Friday on CBS Reality. Where there's a crime, there's a victim. Where there's a victim, there's evidence. What kind of bullet was used? But what if that evidence isn't overwhelming? There is no thinking. There is no need.
How is it there's always two bits missing?
Chances missed, confusion created. Only absolute information can create order from chaos.
They're not telling the truth. The evidence is there.
48 Hours Mystery. A new season starts Monday on CBS Reality.
Go, go. There's no kicking any away this time because I'm not yet.
Welcome back. My guests today say their hearts are being trampled on. Please meet Jessica. She says her fiance has crushed her heart and self-esteem. Jessica, what's going on?
Well, Daddy, I love him. I try to do everything I can to make him happy, and it's like nothing's good enough. I've tried.
See, the only bit is I've got like that, or these bit is, I don't think that's done.
Went from 5 times a day eating down to 2 times
No,
a day.
that's definitely not
It's
done.
like nothing's good enough for him.
So, and you're saying you don't think he loves you?
No.
He's your fiance, though,
When
right?
we're out in public, he wants 2 steps ahead of me. I have to holler at him and let people know, hey, I'm with him. Where's
Well,
Daddy?
if he treats you like that, why would you want to be with him?
Because I love him. I love the kids. I've grown attached to him. I've gotten hurt for him, Jerry.
How have you been hurt?
Weird sex positions he wanted to try. I mean,
I don't want to get too personal, but what kind of thing?
we were both naked on the bed. I tried to do a back
Leave
bed.
it.
You tried to do it back then?
Yes, he did not wear
I'm
it.
really
It
not
was like a
steaming
bed.
it.
We collided. He fell off the bed. I fell up against the wall.
So this is
Got
doing.
to the hospital.
What is that? Leave it. I can't believe there's 2 wee bits missing. And there's fuck all I can do until I get them.
So, when did he start walking ahead of you?
It's really cool.
What happened a couple of months ago that suddenly made him move forward? You know he's cheating? Oh, so, okay, so maybe not. You
Kind of a suspicion.
Now, what makes you
My body's leg comes off.
And him being a cab driver, it was, yes, it's normal for people to call
Oi.
one eye.
pick you up? You were held
No,
up there?
no. We got introduced to his friends.
Well, it does not, and it just came up.
All hours of the night. I didn't think nothing of it because I knew that was
You can call the cab service?
well, some of them have their own personal phones where they can call in and get
Oh, I see. So so he gets calls from this one lady.
she'd call hours of the night, as soon as he hang up the phone, he's gone. He's gone hours at a time, come back empty handed. Yeah, I'm gonna ask questions.
Oh, there's no money there.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
so, have you met this woman? Okay. Now, who's Randy DeMore? Or your boyfriend, the taxi driver? Okay, well, let's meet Randy.
Okay guys, that concludes for this video today.
I scooped her up in the cab. She didn't have no money.
I can't find the 2 bits I'm looking for, which are these 2 bits here. I don't know if you can see that, but these 2 bits I am looking for, and I can't seem to find them. So I'm going to cut the video short, and I will see you next time. Until day 3, stay beautiful. Hugs and kisses.